Windows 11 is just rolling out a set of really nice search updates, and in this video I'll be going over the latest. And the first update is in the search box right here, and there has been a bit of a simplification. So now when I click in search, or if I do Windows S to open up search, you're going to see it is vastly simplified. There's no web results, there's no ads, it's not overwhelming, it's nice and simple. So it just has your most recent searches. And if I want to clear one out, I can X this. If I want to pin one, I could pin that as well. The second new feature is a bit of spacing and simplification in your results. So in this case, I'm going to go down to search and I'm going to type in links. I'm searching for a document that has links. Now what you're going to see here is it has a document and what it was in Word and when it was last modified. It used to be all these other updates here. It wouldn't give you the same details, a little bit of a mishmash, and you couldn't see the preview and what was happening. That is one of these updates. In addition, you can see when I've highlighted this one right here about these webinar links, it shows me a nice preview here. There's not an ad, there's not a web detail, it's just the document. And I've got some options here. I can open the file location, copy path, open in browser. So depending on what you're highlighting, you will have different options. Because I have a Word document highlighted, there's some options for Word. The third new feature is that in the results, we've simplified no ads with web all mixed together. I'm going to search for something that's called running plan. Now in this case, it did find a web search because I didn't really have anything useful on my local PC. But what you're going to see here is running plan right here. There are no ads. Sometimes in the past, you would actually see an ad for a movie called Running Plan or a TV show or other things. So when it does search in the web like it is here, it no longer will pull up anything that has ads related to any websites. It'll just pull up the web results that are in your search terms. The fourth new feature is the ability to turn off web and store results in your searches on Windows 11. So I'm going to open it up here, and a shortcut to get into your search privacy controls is search settings, this gear. This pulls up privacy and security under search, and you're going to see now web searches and Microsoft Store are controllable by an on-off switch. So I'm going to turn that off, and I will turn this off. Now when I'm searching, it's not going to pull up any apps in the store or any web searches. It's just going to focus on my Windows 11 device. So now when I go here and I'm going to search, I've searched for OneNote, but note there's no store app for OneNote. There's no web searches on OneNote or support on the web. It's just things that talk about OneNote or the actual OneNote app itself. So it's really focused because I've turned off web as well as store. Now I'm going to turn web searches and store back on. So these are enabled now, and we'll close this. The fifth new feature shows how we'll always prioritize local results before web and store results. In the past, that would get all mishmashed. Now we're always going to prioritize local results first. So I'm going to search for Outlook. Now I pulled up Outlook. It has the app first. Now it's going to show store results next and then web results after that. So it's going to prioritize this first locally, and then it's going to start looking at the store and the web. So that is how search will operate by default now. It'll go local first, then store, then web. So even if you've turned those things on, it's not going to put them at the top of your results. You'll always have local first. The sixth new feature is more forgiveness when you're typing into search. So let's say I'm going to type in search and I accidentally left the O off of OneNote. I just typed NE note. Look at that. It'll still find OneNote. It'll be smart how it searches. Same thing with Outlook or Word. If I just typed ERD, yeah, it's smart enough to know that that is Word. So that's just kind of nice in that you don't have to be as precise. It'll do these partial matches and be smart about what you're trying to find on your device. All of these search updates just got announced in Insiders. These will be rolling out more broadly across the summer. Link in the description on how to get these. But I hope you try out Insiders and try all these new updates. These are part of that K2 announcement that is really focused on top feedback from customers, making your Windows 11 devices better and smarter and faster. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.